At the heart of the American College Foundation Honors Program is the ACF College Planning Software, a single-user application that allows you and your family to further explore the most critical aspects of the college planning process. The ACF Honors Program also contains a funding timeline and resource center, which may be accessed through the ACF website. Please be advised that Honors membership is required to access this information. The Timeline and Resource Center has been designed exclusively to work hand in hand with the ACF College Planning software. The ACF software has been created specifically for a dependent student. A dependent student is most often a high school age student who is not married and has no dependents of their own. From the main page of the ACF software, you may review dependency status for a more precise definition. The parental information of a dependent student is required and will be reported on funding applications. The My Planner section of the ACF software is where all student and family personal and financial information is recorded and stored. Please keep in mind that this information is stored on your personal computer only, and only you have access to this data. In addition to the personal and financial data, in the My Planner section you are also able to track possible colleges as well as college planning related activities. You may also produce reports ranging from expected family contribution, EFC, and college summary reports to a detailed process planning report. A line-by-line FAFSA answer sheet is also available to assist your family with the timely and accurate completion of this required application. First, let's take a quick look at the data entry portion of the ACF software and see just how easy it is to enter and manage your personal and financial data. Again, be reminded that all information is stored on your personal computer only, and only you have access to this data. The My Planner section of the ACF software is divided across the top into 11 different sections, with the data tabs making up the first 8 sections, and the colleges, activities, and reports tabs listed in spots 9, 10, and 11 in the top right-hand corner. These are the action tabs. It is important to first make sure all data is entered correctly and accurately before proceeding to the action tabs. You will see the data tabs are divided into student income and assets, parent income and assets, as well as family and worksheets. If you like, before you get started, you may first display and print the ACF data questionnaire, which gives you a line-by-line reference of all data to be recorded in your ACF software. Within the ACF data questionnaire, reference lines are included to assist your family in locating and recording the correct information. The ACF data questionnaire is 9 pages total. From My Planner, click on Questionnaire in the bottom center to preview. From here, you may print your copy. Please also note that on each page there is a Help button. Each Help button will display help for that particular section. You will also be given the option to print each help screen for further reference. As you begin entering your data, please be advised that dates are entered in a month, day, year format. In other words, 02/12/95 will produce February 12, 1995. Some fields, Social Security numbers for example, have an input mask, which will display each number accordingly after entry. When entering data, please be advised that some sections may also be left blank. For instance, the student income section is defaulted to no, with zeros already entered. If the student doesn't file a federal income tax return, this section may be left as is. Data entry is very straightforward and should take your family only a few minutes to complete. Having the parents and students, if applicable, most recent federal income tax returns, along with bank statements and related asset and investment information handy, will make the process go much faster. The ACF software does contain a built-in data check system, which will prompt for any missing data before calculating or producing any associated reports. This will help prevent miscalculations and the reporting of inaccurate data. If a required question is left blank, parents' adjusted gross income, for example, a missing data warning will be displayed, including the listing of what data is missing. When you go to an Action tab, any data that is missing will come up in this warning. Warning, required data is missing, unable to generate results. Please return and enter the following: parent adjusted gross income. Return and make corrections. Go back to the parent income tab, enter the adjusted gross income. Hit the Report Action tab again, and you'll be directed to the Reports page. Once you're at this page, you'll know all required data has been reported. Next, you will want to enter colleges you are currently considering under the Colleges tab. When entering your schools, please be sure to also select your preferred housing for each. Please note that colleges may be added or removed at any time. To add a college, go to the bottom of your list and type in a new one. To remove a college, simply click on the trash can on the right-hand side. Now that your data and initial list of colleges have been entered, let's take a look at some of the advanced features of the ACF College Planning software. You may first want to visit the Reports tab. Here you may review your family's expected family contribution, EFC, by clicking the Display button. This not only displays your federal EFC, but also gives you a breakdown of the calculations involved. A printable version is also available. Next, you may display or print your college summary report, which gives you a summary of each college you are considering, including contact information, incoming student qualifications, and funding calculations to help your family get a better understanding of the actual cost that may be involved at each institution. Also available is a process planning report, which contains 30 pages of specific and vital college planning procedures. Insight on the overall college planning process, including admission and funding details and step-by-step procedures, are included. You may also produce a line-by-line answer sheet for the FAFSA, either paper or online version. Now let's return to the Colleges tab to take a look at some additional features. You may track your progress at colleges you are considering, as well as further research admission and funding details. Under Procedures, you will find a checklist where you can keep track of dates, such as the date you submitted your admission application, filed the FAFSA, etc. This section also contains admission and financial aid details, which may be displayed and printed for quick future reference. Admission details include enrollment statistics as well as those qualifications of incoming students. Financial aid details offer insight on funding awarded as well as student and parent loan statistics. From the Procedures page, you may also quickly and accurately evaluate your award letter from each institution. Simply enter the date you received your award letter and the total gift aid, that's the total money that is given, not borrowed or worked for, you are being offered. Remember, gift aid may be referred to as scholarships, grants, etc. by the institution. Again, it is money that is given and not repaid or worked for. After entering your total gift aid amount, you will need to adjust the college cost to reflect the exact total cost of attendance listed on your award letter. So we'll put in the award letter received date, gift aid offered, $22,000, and then we'll adjust the college cost. Let's say on your award letter it's $56,465. It'll confirm that update, close, click Funding Evaluation. A formula will calculate your financial need and factor in the school's history of awarded funding to determine a target gift aid amount. Your gift aid offered will then be compared to this target amount. You may print an evaluation, which will include follow-up procedures. Please keep in mind that these are all projected values only, and the ultimate funding awarded is at the discretion of each school's financial aid department. Activities tab may be used to easily track your notes and related college planning activities. You may create an action group by clicking on the yellow cross next to action and defining a new group. After numbering and adding your item, you may return to the Activities tab and add the notes. Your request will add a new item to the Activities log, Continue, Action, Campus Visit, Notes, Stanford University. Please note that each entry will be date and time stamped as it is created. Simply select the action from the drop-down menu and enter the associated notes below. Actions will be sorted descending in date-time order. You may also display a summary report to quickly review all activities. Another important feature of the ACF software is the College Search. From the main screen, simply select College Search. Here you may search for colleges by name, city, state, or federal code. After making your selection, you will be able to quickly review the detailed admission and funding statistics for each institution. You may also add this school to your consideration list by selecting Add to Possible Colleges. By doing so, this institution will be included in the Colleges tab located in the My Planner portion of the ACF software. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Remember, college planning is a process, with each sequential step as important as the next. We feel confident that the ACF Honors Program will help keep you on track and prove to be a very important part of your overall success.